Hey everyone, and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly back up and restore your WordPress website using Softaculous. Whether you're updating your website, migrating to a new server, or simply protecting your hard work, having a recent backup is one of the most important things you can do. The good news is that Softaculous makes the entire process incredibly simple, requiring just a few clicks. Let's get started. Softaculous is a one-click app installer built into most cPanel hosting accounts. Most people use it to install WordPress in the first place, but it also has a built-in backup and restore system that takes just a few clicks. No plugins, no extra software needed. Let's log into cPanel and find it. Log into your hosting control panel, usually cPanel. Scroll down to the Software section and open Softaculous Apps Installer, then click on WordPress, which opens the Softaculous page. Locate the website you want to protect, usually in current installations. If your site was not installed with Softaculous, there is an Import Installations option in the top bar. Find and click the Backup option for your site. You'll now see several backup options. You can choose whether to include your website directory, database, or both. For a complete backup, leave both options selected. You may also provide a short backup note, making it easier to identify later. Once you're ready, click Backup Installation. Depending on your website size, the backup may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. When it's complete, Softaculous will confirm that the backup was created successfully. To see your saved backups, return to the Softaculous WordPress installations page. Find and click the Backups and Restore section in the top bar. Here you'll find a list of available backups, including their creation date and file size. It's a good practice to keep multiple recent backups, especially before major updates or installing new plugins and themes. If your hosting provider offers remote backup storage, you may also have options to save backups outside your hosting account for additional protection. If something goes wrong, such as a failed update, accidental deletion, or malware infection, you can restore your website using one of your backups. Go back to the Backups and Restore section, find the backup you want to use and click the Restore icon. Softaculous will ask which components you'd like to restore. Normally, you'll restore both the website files and the database to completely return your website to its previous state. Confirm the restoration, and Softaculous will begin replacing the current website with the selected backup. Once the process finishes, your website should be restored exactly as it was when the backup was created. Always test your website afterward by visiting a few pages and logging into the WordPress dashboard to ensure everything is working correctly. Here are a few quick tips. Always create a backup before updating WordPress, plugins, or themes. Keep several recent backups instead of relying on just one. Download important backups to your computer or cloud storage. Periodically test your backups to make sure they can be restored successfully. Following these simple practices can save hours of troubleshooting, and that's how easy it is to back up and restore a WordPress website using Softaculous. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.